Welcome to Yamu Kids TV. Learn some colors. Kids, happy face. Happy face, smiley. Happy face. Kids, please subscribe my channel. Kids, please subscribe and share. Okay, kids. Aeroplane coloring. Super. First, yellow color. Which color? Yellow. Learn some colors. Yellow color. Red color. Blue color. Which color is blue? Pink color. Which color? Pink color. Sky blue color. Which color, kids? Sky blue. Orange color. Which color? Orange. And green color. Which color, kids? Green. Okay. It's coloring yellow. Aeroplane coloring. Yellow color. Which color? Yellow color. Super coloring. Super. Then pink color. Which color? Pink color. Which color, kids? Pink. Super pink. Then orange. Orange coloring. Orange color. Super coloring. Orange. And sky blue. Orange and sky blue. Super. Then again orange and sky blue. Super coloring orange. Which color, kids? Orange color. Super. Then sky blue. Sky blue coloring. Super coloring sky blue. Super. Super coloring. Super. Then green. Green color. Which color, kids? Green. Green color. Then brown. Brown color. Which color? Brown. And blue. Blue color. color, yellow color pencil coloring. Super. Then finally sky blue color clouds. Sky blue color clouds coloring. Super coloring. Sky blue. Super. Then again sky blue. Super coloring. Sky blue clouds. Super. Kids, please subscribe my channel, kids. Please subscribe and share.